nice rainbow, Gina. Today is taste and smell. I bet you know this word. Good job. If it's not good, it is
bad.
Delicious. Delicious.
Delicious.
Would you like to try this delicious dessert? Mine tastes delicious. How does it taste?
It is delicious.
Gross.
Gross.
I'll try it. Oh! It tastes gross. I can almost taste it.
It tastes gross. I taste. You taste. They taste. We taste. We taste.
Good. She tastes.
She tastes. It tastes.
What do you taste? You know this word.
Pizza. It tastes the pizza.
It tastes the...
It tastes the apple.
How does it taste? Does it taste delicious or gross?
It tastes delicious.
Nice sentence. Old bread. How does it taste?
It tastes gross.
I smell, you smell.
I smell, you smell. You smell, we smell. It smells. It smells.
It's a beautiful
Flower.
It
It smells so good.
Are you grabbing your socks? I'll grab mine too.
Yeah.
Oh, you have socks there? Those look clean. How do they smell? Good or bad?
Bad.
I smell gross. About my face on here.
So gross.
They smell the socks. Oh,
Eat the socks.
no, it tastes bad. Hello, white sock. How do you smell today?
Bad.
Oh, I smell bad too. We have to use a sentence to find the gems. Let's use the whole sentence.
It is bad.
You found the green gem. This is perfume. How does it smell?
It smells good.
Yellow gem for you. How does it taste?
It is delicious.
You found the blue gem. What do you use to smell?
The smells my nose.
You found the red gem. What do you use to taste?
It tastes with my tongue.
Okay, the purple gem for you. You found all of the gems. Good job, Super Gina. Nice music. Can you read these three words? This is a cup.
No. Pen.
He is a cup.
Cup.
We use our scissors to cut.
Coat.
Nice, perfect. Key. Key.
Key.
It's a medical cup.
Key.
Your reading is the best. Now watch out for V and W. The doctor for animals is a...
Bad.
Oh no, my t-shirt is still...
Red. And you are.
They are, we are.
We are.
is, she is, it is.
She is, it is.
What will you do after class? Are you going to sleep?
No.
What are you going to do? Oh, I want to drink water with you. I am drinking water right now. Goodbye, Gina. Goodbye. Great work today. Here's some more stars. Blasting off in 3, 2. Super Gina flying high in the sky. 1. Blast off.